Where does the name for Aberaeron come from? So today I'm in Ceredigion and I've been invited to explore the Wales coast path between Aberaeron and Aberteifi, or Cardigan in English. And the village that I'm in now is called Aberaeron. Let's get into the name.
The name is made of two parts. Firstly, Aber, which can mean where two rivers meet or the mouth of a river, and it comes from the Celtic root Adberos.
But which river is that? Well, that would be the Avon Aeron, which flows through the village behind me. But what does Aeron mean?
As with many ancient river names, there are several competing explanations. One of the most well-known ones comes from William J. Watson's Celtic Place Names of Scotland, which reconstructs the name for the River Aire in Scotland as Agronor, a hypothesised Celtic deity associated with battle, with a root from agro, which meant fighting or slaughter. He argued that the same name survives in several rivers across Britain, potentially including the Avon here and the Aire in Yorkshire. Could the river name come from that of a god of war? Well, quite possibly, but there are also other possible interpretations. In English river names by Eilert Eckwall, Eckwall connected the Yorkshire Aire with the widespread ancient river name Isara, a Celtic root meaning strong or mighty, and he suggested that Aeron might belong to the same family of names. Furthermore, others have suggested it's related to the word Aeron in Welsh meaning berries. Scholars such as Hywel Owen, Richard Morgan and Alan James favour the deity explanation, making it the most likely explanation in my view. I also find it persuasive because other Welsh river names with yon suffix, such as Daron and Tyrannon, have been linked to deities as well, namely that of oaks and storms respectively. Whatever the meaning, the name is a lot older than the town itself. Just north of where the town is now stood an ancient fortification called Castell Cadogan. Although traditionally linked to King Cadogan in the 12th century, it may actually be a much older Iron Age earthwork. It's mostly underneath the shingles on the beach and heavily eroded now. The town itself is surprisingly modern. Beginning in 1805, the Reverend Alban Thomas Jones Gwyn developed a harbour here and laid out the planned town that became Aberaeron. Today Aberaeron is one of the highlights of the Wales coast path, and whether Aeron once meant strength, berries, or the name of a forgotten deity, the ancient river name still survives at the heart of the town.
So the name literally means the mouth of the river Aeron, and maybe it means the mouth of the river of the god or goddess of slaughter. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.